Bala are a tough opponent for you. I think it's only the second time in 11 games that you've beaten them. Not sure you've beaten them here since you've been promoted, so it's a big scalp for you.
It's definitely the first time we've won since I've been here. I know that in the 3 seasons. So yeah, Bala are a very tough team. They're in the top 6 nearly every year, or as far as I know, they've been in Europe several times. So like I said, any win against Bala against a very experienced team, with good staff, and they know what they do, and they're good at what they do. They're a good side. They've had a number of injuries this year, which has affected them. They look like they're getting more bodies back on the pitch now. So it's pleasing to beat a very good Bala team.
I thought we were good today going forward. Thought we were really good. Thought it was an equal game in the first half, and then I thought they were the better team for 30 minutes after half time. And then when we made the subs, that changed it, and we got to 3-2. And then I thought we could have gone on and won it. And then the sending off and stuff has killed us a little bit. But still, even with 10 men, I thought we were going to go and equalise. I don't think it's as bad as the lads got up from. He's got up from it and stuff, and Nathan's an honest lad and a really competitive lad, and I don't think it's any malice in it. He's gone for the ball. It's one of them that's been nicked off his foot, and I don't think he's left the ground or anything, but I might be proved wrong on Scorio, but I don't know, it looked a little bit harsh really this day and age, but maybe it was a red card. Maybe it was a red card 5 or 6 years ago, but this day and age, I suppose, maybe there's a chance that it is, but not for me.
2 goals for yourself. You're in the right place in the right time.
Yeah, exactly. That's all I can do, really. That's all the manager asks, is land on things in the right place, right time. We actually spoke about the second one at half time. He said we need someone at the edge of the box, and it actually fell to me in the exact point. So I guess that's the beauty of half-time team talks. But yeah, it worked out really well. And then obviously the first one was just, like you say, being in the right place at the right time. So
obviously they've only scored, I think, prior to this game, 11 goals in 22 games, and to score 2 here and give 3 goals away like we have, we normally pride ourselves on defensive record, but we can't give the goals away that we've given today. It's shocking defending, and terrible. We just, we didn't deserve to get anything out of the game with defending like that.
It's 3 points, another 3 points at the Bridge Meadow, which is massive for us. We spent so long away from home this season to play 3 games and now win the 3 of them. Shows how important our home form is.
Still 9 games to go, and it means nothing at the moment. It only matters at the end of the season, so we've just got to keep taking each game as it comes and see where we end up. But yeah, in terms of the goals, we're doing a lot of stuff in training, trying to work on scoring more, so it's pleasing to see that, but obviously now we just got to make sure we don't let 2 in at the other end.